Today we are going to do a DIY Fox fork dust wiper replacement. We have a 2008 Fox Talas 100 120 140 travel. We need a Fox dust wiper service kit, suspension oil WT10, and a suspension grease. Remove the air chamber cap and release the air using an Allen key. Remove the rebound, lockout and compression knob. Loosen the set screw to remove the lockout and compression knob. Loosen the set screw to remove the lockout adjustment knob. Remove the foot nuts using a 10 mm socket wrench. Unthread a nut until it has enough gap, and to protect the adjuster. Use a rubber mallet to knock the damper leg and air spring leg free. Slide the lowers and turn the fork upside down to drain all the old oil. Slide out the uppers from the lower leg and drain the remaining oil. I used a flat screwdriver to pry out the old dust wipers. Remove the old foam rings. Clean the lowers with a cloth. Get the new dust wipers from the kit. and lubricate the wipers and the lowers with the suspension oil. I removed the energizer ring so that it won't get damaged when installing it. Since I don't have the correct driving tool to install the dust wiper, I used a 32mm socket to drive the dust wiper to the lowers. Soak the new foam rings with the suspension oil and install. Put suspension grease inside the dust wipers. Remove the damper shaft to clean and drain the remaining oil. Insert the uppers to the lowers and time to put in the new oil. Refer to the Fox website for the correct oil volume for your fork. In my case it's 160 cc on the damper side and 10 cc on the air chamber side. Thread the foot nuts with the new crush washers provided by the kit. Put suspension grease on the damper cap and torque to specs. Install back the lockout knob. Put grease on the compression knob ball bearing and install. Pump air into the fork and check. I hope this video helps your future DIY fork servicing. Thank you for watching.